Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set and how to clear in and out points. So first, I'm going to go to my project bin, double click on some footage to open it up in the source window. Now I want to set in and out points so I can set the exact part of this clip that I want to drag onto my sequence. All you have to do is drag this little scrubber and get to the part of the video where you want to set an in point. To set in and out points, you can click on these little icons right here. This is the mark in, this is mark out. You can also come to the top menu, click on markers and choose mark in, mark out. But the easy way is to learn the keyboard shortcuts. I for in point, O for out point. So I've got the scrubber to where I want to set the in point. I'm just going to tap on the letter I on my keyboard, and that sets an in point. Then I'm just going to click on the scrubber and drag the video to a point in the video where I want to add the out point. And to add the out point, I can click on this little icon here, or I can just tap on the letter O, and now I have an in and an out point set. If you want to clear or remove the in and out points that you set, make sure that the source window is selected. On a Mac, press the Option key and tap on the letter X. On Windows, you're going to press the Alt key and then tap on the letter X. So I have the Option key pressed. I'm going to tap on the letter X, and you see that cleared the in and out points. If you have the in and out point set and you forgot the keyboard shortcut, just go up to the top menu, click on markers. There you will see clear in and out along with the keyboard shortcut. If you only want to clear the in point, you can come up to the top menu, markers. You will see clear in, and there's the keyboard shortcut. It's Option I on a Mac, Alt I on Windows. So I'll press the Option key. I'm going to tap on the letter I, and that cleared the in point only. And if I only want to clear the out point, the keyboard shortcut is Option or Alt plus the letter O. So I'm going to press the Option key on the Mac, tap the letter O, and that cleared the out point only. And that is how to set and clear in and out points in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.